How to get more storage on your Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to get more storage on your Android phone in 2022 easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is so simple. If you want more storage to put your videos in or your photos or your apps, all what you have to do is go to Play Store and search for storage. Now click search. I know it sounds weird, but trust me, it works. Now scroll down and you will find this app. It's called Dropbox. This app is like a storage, like cloud storage for your photos and videos. This is the first one. If you don't want to use this one, you have this option too. You can use this one. It's called Mega. And this one, it gives you a lot of gigabytes to get your photos and videos in. And the last one is Google Drive. This one is the best one that I use personally because it is from Google and you know Google is the best. So that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video. Until the very end. See you later.